This is a demo of online store CRM. You can also use this store automation CRM for any product, such as academy course selling, traveling packages, clothing stores, and many more. Here you can see names of product, category, price, discounted price, weight and photo of product. You can change this photos anytime. You can share your store links by simply copying it. Or you can send QR code also. Copied store link can be sent to your customer with WhatsApp or any other methods. You can attach this online store link to your existing website also, so that people can buy from there and place orders using WhatsApp. This is how our online store looks. Here you can see your products as per their categories we mentioned earlier in our CRM. Let's place an order. Here you can see your order is placed in cart. This is your cart. Now let's fill the information and make a payment. Here you can choose delivery options. Pickup and delivery. If you choose delivery, then it will ask you for address. You can add payment options, like cash on delivery, or other methods like Razorpay. Let's select pickup option. And select place order with WhatsApp. It will direct you to grocery store's business WhatsApp number. Press send button to place your order. Here we can see buyer's message in our WhatsApp business account, with all order details like order ID, name, time, address if mentioned in case of delivery option. The order entry will automatically generate in our store CRM, with all customers' details. As soon as customer place any order, system will send details of purchase automatically to customer's email ID. And also, system will send same order placement details to store's email ID, which is linked to our CRM. I hope you liked our demo. This automated CRM can reduce your workload, saves your time, and can keep you up to date with all your orders. It can also monitor your live stocks. If you want to implement this automation to your store, please contact us. For more information, please check the description of this video. Thank you.